Hello everybody, welcome to another showing of a book, a retro related book, retro gaming related book. As I've told you before, for the first video of this series of videos, this is a book given to me, sent to me by the publisher Microzeit for free and without any requests. And I decided on my own to make videos on these books. I think it's something that people like me who are into retro gaming and retro computers will find this quite interesting and perhaps didn't know they existed. I know that I don't know enough of these books, especially the non 100% gaming related books. This second video is Beyond the Borders, a fantastic journey to the outer rims of 68,000, afterword by Eric Simon, the Atari ST and the Creative People. The first book, of course, was Return of the Borders, the first book I made a video on, I mean. This is another big boy. Let's see, how many pages are we talking about? The other one is a little bit under 400 pages. And this one is a little bit over 400 pages. So yeah, definitely not a book which you will go through in a couple of hours. At least not if you spend your time reading the way I do. Let's have a look. And also want to remind you that this video is live on two of my channels, my main channel and my retro exclusive channel. Links to all my channels are of course down below. Dedicated to all who must find their way beyond borders. I like this. I'm not going to show everything for obvious reasons. Contents. Ooh. Alright. This time we start from 1991. Have a look. A new beginning. Lost between borders, makers and simulators. 1992. Lords of the Skies. The 32-bit dilemma. 1993. Blitzkrieg in the Laser Age. Epilogue. Afterword. And addendum. Yeah, cannot say that word. Okay. And definitely... very interesting. I remember the Airbus A320, I remember that. And Amber Star, of course. Oh man, I got Thallion Classics. I've played... I don't remember if I actually played the Airbus. But I did play, was it Amber Moon or Amber Star? The first one anyway. Keep forgetting which is which. Enhanced Land, not Enhanced, Enchanted. Lionheart. No Second Prize, yeah, obviously, and Shrek's Warrior. Alright. Machine Messiah, take me to the fire. Hold me, Machine Messiah, and show me the strength of your singular eye. Drama by Yes. Gotta love Yes. Where did they find these photos? SD book. Oh, I wanted one so much. And Atari TT, yeah, TT. Atari TT, I wanted them even more. The closest I got to getting an Atari TT was getting a Mega STE. I got it in 92 or 91. Don't remember now. It's been a while. To replace my original Atari ST 520. But which I upgraded to 1 megabyte of RAM, and they got so much money out of me for that. That's just ridiculous. The 7800 model I didn't know existed till I think in the 2000s. Yeah, exactly. I'm skipping ahead plenty of pages for reasons which are hopefully quite obvious. Don't want to spoil too much. Vector screens. Vectors were the first a vector game was the first game I ever got a copy of on my Atari ST back in 1987. It was of course Star Glider. Very good game. And I know that Star Glider 2 is the superior game, but I still prefer the first. What is this? Doesn't say. I wonder if it is an... Cannot see if it is an old photo or a new one. I mean, the computers are obviously old, but I don't see any new computers, so perhaps it is. Oh man. God, I wanted a TT so much. And I think I wanted one even more than I wanted later Falcon. Oh yeah, let's see, we have here balance of power. Yep, got it. Although the 1990 version was much better for me at least. Thundercats, not a fan, although I did like the show. Beyond the Ice Palace, loved it. Scary game. Pro Tracker, of course. GFA Basic, I never used. I used Basic, but not on the Atari ST. I mean, I did use some Basic on the Atari ST, not GFA Basic, and it was actually quite a bad experience. And Dragons. I don't think I have seen this demo. What is this? The Return of Medusa, I remember this. And pretty sure this is Amber Star. Yeah, it says about Amber Star. Oh man. Memories. Ah yes, the A320. I remember this. Wow, the actual box. This is the Amiga version. That's well done. Yeah, back when you bought a game and actually came with stuff, including, you know, the game. Good times, actually. Yeah, Lethal Access, I think I played it for my Retro Weekend channel. And Amber Star. I was disappointed that the sequel, Amber Moon... Wait, is it Amber Star or Amber Moon? I keep forgetting which is which. No, this is Amber Star, this is the first one. Yeah, I played the Amber Star on my Atari, but I wanted to play the sequel, which was, I think, released only in German language, which I didn't speak. So I never got access to that. Plus, I'm not sure if it was released for the Atari or not. But if it's here, it probably was released. I know it was released for the Amiga. Good paper. Very good paper. What's that? We surprised ourselves when we reached the game performance of a 20 MHz clocked 8386 using all the tricks from the Atari STE. Douglas Little, the Pixel Twins, ICE software. Yeah, definitely require more reading. Let's move further ahead. Mind you, this is a big book. Over 400 pages long. And normal mega demo, flipper demo. Ah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Released in '93. At the time, this type of graphics felt more like next gen, and in many ways you couldn't actually see this type of graphics very much in games for at least a few more years, and usually on the PC. By the way, one more thing that you cannot see or feel is the smell of the paper. Oh, it feels good. If you have bought new books, you know how that feels. Ooh, Jaguar and some arcade machines here. Okay, so it's slightly different than the other book. Oh, backers of the books. References. Absolutely gorgeous. This was Beyond the Borders, a fantastic journey to the outer rims of 68,000. Do I recommend it? Duh, of course. Yeah, and it's quite heavy, so be careful. This was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. More videos coming. Another 3 videos, actually. And also, of course, if you find these books interesting, don't forget to visit the actual Microzeit channel, site, the publisher who sells these books. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, coffee link if you want to help more directly the channel, and all that. Take care. Happy gaming. Bye bye.